This is Music Theory Minute, a weekly series diving into a monthly topic. This month we're talking about capturing the sound of specific scales. So far we've just talked about capturing these sounds harmonically by alternating between two chords, but these same principles can also be applied melodically through the use of triad pairs. The idea behind triad pairs is to alternate between two triadic arpeggios to create a melodic line. Using what we've talked about earlier in this series, you can see how you could use this technique to create a melody that captures the sound of a given scale even over a static chord. Say we want to capture a Lydian sound over a B-flat chord. We'll take two triads, one B-flat major and the other including the sharp 11th of B-flat E. In this case, we'll choose C major. Triad pairs work best when the two triads have no overlapping notes. Now we can build a melody by switching between these two arpeggios to evoke a Lydian sound, even if that identifying sharp 11th isn't found in the underlying harmony. Or maybe we want to mix a Lydian sound over a G chord. We could take the G major triad and alternate it with, say, an F major triad to create this effect. This technique is used extensively in improvisation as well, so fool around with it and see what you can come up with. I also have a quick announcement to make. Unfortunately, Music Theory Minute will be taking a hiatus. It was a really fun experiment, but I have a couple of other projects that I really want to devote most of my time to. It might come back in the future, it might not, I don't really know yet. But thanks for checking out these videos. That was Music Theory Minute. Bye.